Hello, my name is Jonas Maver, and I am Primo's Business Development Manager for the DACH region. Today, I would like to briefly introduce you to our OBC Power Kit and our DC-DC Power Kit. First of all, about our OBC kit. Primo offers a wide range of inductive elements for charging technology in electric mobility. Most of these products are already fully qualified according to AEC Q200. Here only high-performance materials are used for best efficiency, high-temperature stability, and highest insulation. Included in this kit are resonance inductors in different power classes, common mode chokes, PFC chokes, flyback transformers, gate drive transformers for controlling power semiconductors, PLC transformers for communication between charging station and onboard charger. Now let's move on to our DC-DC Power Kit. The DC-DC module in the vehicle ensures that the high voltage from the battery of 450 volts is converted to low voltage in the range of 12-14 volts, or in the extended range 10-16 volts, for the devices installed in the vehicle, such as GPS system, lamps, or air conditioning. For this purpose, we have put together the appropriate Primo components for you in this kit. Included in this kit are planar transformers in different power levels, high voltage output filters, flyback transformers, gate drive transformers for controlling power semiconductors, current transformers for feedback and protection circuits. More information about Primo and our products, just visit our website www.grupaprimo.com. There you can also order our 2 power kits and many other products right online.